Greetings, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are on the farm again. Yes, so we're on the farm again, and today we're planting a few planting suckers and want to dig a yellow yam, because right about now in the market, $3.50 a pound, me hear say for yellow yam, and $300 a pound. So we have our yellow yam, so we are dig some yellow yam in Nigeria, and as me say, we are planting some planting suckers, just a few planting suckers from the Beryl throw down. We are going to just go through and plant a few, get the suckers them off and plant a few. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. So you stick the yam them already. As any ever stick them over there. As you know, the hurricane that comes, so you know how stick them. Yeah, anyhow, when they ever stick the yam them over there, breadfruit tree would have come right down and stick them down. I see breadfruit tree, the breakdown already, put it up and thing. Yeah, man. Hopefully it can spring back. Yeah, hopefully it can spring back from the vine. Alright, so let's actually start dig the yam already, you know. Watch it. That one is nice.
Yeah, it's a bit bad.
Yeah. A little piece come out there already before we start recording. Pick a jam that up. It's yellow yam. Right now in the market they're selling yellow yam for $350 a pound. It's a very big one now. Big.
Good size one.
Alright, this is it. Yeah.
Yeah, man. And them plant they call it bandit. When these planting beer, sometimes you can't eat have one finger.
That's it. Them beer very big.
Large.
Bandit. Oh, I think massive the same argument, you know.
Yeah.
Same argument sounds so cut, you know.
Understand, but Beryl blow down that one here before you shoot.
I said Beryl blow down the one before you shoot.
But me get two sucker out of it, you know.
You get two suckers, so plan them again.
Understand.
Mm-hmm.
And them to the place here, so.
Yeah. I Beryl throw down one plant over there, so you know.
You understand.
Yeah, over there, so.
See all two plant then Beryl throw down.
Mm-hmm.
Them beer, but me make them say they full.
Yeah. Them can stay along full. Mm-hmm. Yamil again. Peeps. Come on. This is how you deal with it. You put the sticks so the vines can follow the sticks. You know, say, I'm planting on my place, so on bamboo. Like you want to catch. Said one of me did I look on it there? Want to have bamboo for catch it.
But if you have to root up that?
In a road, yeah?
That go root up again.
No, it bow.
You bow?
Yeah. Yeah, it bow. It bend. To me see it bend, man, it bow. So me I say, it good job. If me not sticky. I plant them to sucker here now. See, plant now we are telling them say, yeah, ground, it has stay right there so I'm full. So once no goat no come here, so we're good to go. So you can do like maybe just kind of cover it up with the leaf a bit. Stay right there so I'm full. Oh yeah, watch the mango tree for that tree.
Yeah, yeah, part right at the open.
That's so kind of open up now. Out here on the farm. And today is a very nice day. So I have papaya and I see.
Good thing Beryl not touch it. But I think about it with Beryl, you know.
You said I think about it.
Good thing, you know. So do it down. And now one next up there too, you know.
Oh, the next one to the side? Hold on, Philip said this one not going to be here. This is a man. This is a man. Yeah. Yeah, man, I know man Guinea. Philip said this is not a bear even though it blossom. This is a man papaya tree. So this is not going bear. Oh, Philip said it a help. The females want to grow to bear. Alright, let me show you. The papaya upon tree. Soon ready. The man who soon have papaya can eat. And the next tree over here. I want some young ones, yeah man, and I Philip did that tell you no, say we have breadfruit, but our breadfruit them not start full up properly yet. Yeah man, so breadfruit they have one tree.
You use the machine to sink a little deeper, you know.
Okay.
I mean to say, you know, root up easily.
Right, so
So you put it up around in the
get in sucker. Stone down there.
yeah, it's done. I'm so.
Get it done.
Take it out, you know.
Alright.
Now see this, you know. Now put the whole part dirt in there. Yet.
Alright.
Just want to put dirt around the root part like.
Oh, because it's small.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so it come up now, you can start mold it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you do it.
So you do it.
Yeah.
Where next one there?
So that's all right there, sir.
Oh, next one this. Next one this. Wait a night. Oh, see there, this. Small. Breadfruit as a papa tree down there. Sir. Which way you plant the next one now? Alright, Rona, so you planting.
You plant them in the open, better.
Yeah, cause them get more sunlight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Right there, sir.
Oh yeah, chop it right there, so. Soil are loose.
Yeah, you come in the plow here, so you know.
Oh. I'm see you give me and say if it sound loose, like you just go through easy.
Yeah, I'm in the plow here, so you know what we can do? You know, we can plant some potato around here, sir.
Oh yeah, so not too cold up.
Some sweet potato. No. That's not cool.
You can try.
You see like how you're so loose?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Them place just we put it along.
It's all about eat what you grow what you eat.
Like the thing is, sometimes when you plant them for bush, rat make feast with them.
Bush at them not easy, you know.
Yeah, but like where they are yard here so now,
Yeah.
they not got too much food on it. Well, when you plant things so deep like this, it's can't root up so easy.
Okay.
See me now, you really have put no whole pot dirt around him yet. Still go and catch up.
Small it has to go along.
Yeah.
So that is it.
Yeah, too much of around this one. I got to take you out and put one on this one.
Oh.
Next place to put the next one.
Let's go on here now.
That big plant there root up berry root you up.
Berry root up. Yes, never beer.
Never beer, but we gotta get two suck out of it.
Yeah.
Make sure you go plant them.
So we gotta get two suck out of this because Beryl chew it down to the ground, so we getting two nice suckers from it.
Yeah, man. Not a bore right now.
Not a bore right now this.
Solid sucker.
Yeah.
And I want to tell you, like how this slide down, so you know, it will burst more sucker, you know.
Oh yeah, we burst more sucker, yes.
So we can get more out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, so we just have to go through and replant back some stuff. Yeah, man. Next nice sucker there. Not a bore. Good to go now.
Plant these and build up a little farm, you know?
Yeah.
It's a yard farm.
Yeah.
When you can't go bush, you get food from yard there, you know?
That is it. Yeah. Alright, so I'll find some plant them two there now.
I plant one right now, like a space here under the
But you can't plant too much under the tree, now, even though.
tangerine tree, I got too much under it. Right now, little space out there, so near to that little coconut tree there, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
I want right next one, find our next place to plant the next one. I'm making a plant one, okay. You plant one, okay?
And big son ever there, so he roll off.
Next one. In right just now.
Right, you know, so. Yeah, so Beryl have we planting.
Yeah.
Have to be planting back some of the planting suckers.
Right.
Yeah.
The last time they have some planting and then be good.
Okay.
So I go on this time now.
Yeah, man, we see what go on. See what go on this time around.
Plant is that thing you have to continue all the plant them, you know.
Yeah, because plant not like banana.
Right. You know, serve so long like banana.
So you have to keep on and plant, keep planting.
Yeah.
And so you're not gonna have much. We have banana right through, but you're not gonna have plant right through if you don't keep on planting.
Definitely.
And that me notice with banana. Still banana is a long growing ongoing. Banana come like cocoa, you know. You just like how you see like how we cut the road down there, so now we are just see stuff a come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, see cocoa just a come up. And banana come up.
Banana only one clean out, you know. Gone again.
Yeah.
And cocoa in here for years.
Yeah, man. You see your cocoa just come up a riverside.
Yeah.
And gully side. You see a stone in there.
And we are sinking deep. The rock still.
I'll try to get out this stone. Big size stone. Come on, stone, come up, you know. Alright, let's come up, you know. Get out the stone.
Yeah. Roll your way. No.
Let's put him down right, you know.
Like this now, you see, like how this big now.
Yeah.
You can mold him up now.
Okay. Yeah, man, so when them bigger, just mold them up. When them smaller, just have to just mold as them grow. Alright, so we are plant the next one now. Alright, that's a guys don't not shine. Also. And guys, whenever you're planting plantings, always plant them in the opening, not under a tree. Plant them where they can get enough sunlight. Because they said plant love sunlight.
Well, all plant love sunlight.
Yeah. All plant love sunlight.
And do better in the sunlight.
Okay. So it's better in sunlight. It's just that sometimes too much sun is not good for the plant.
Well, you need the rain and sun. You need the rain and sun.
Don't need too much of each. Yeah.
And like Portland, I know, always have rain.
Always have rain. Alright, so I have plant I am ready now. How you did do diggy? How you diggy and nothing come up?
No, I'm diggy right there.
Oh, you diggy what there? Plenty.
Plant here now. Divine break.
Oh yeah, try get out the vines
Yeah.
without it break. I plant it back right so.
No man, I plant in a open space so.
Oh, I plant it out now opening out so.
Planting right out in the open space you know. Like we're basically move that you know.
Yeah.
This color come right over them. You love sun, you know.
Well, I just tell me say all plant love sun.
Yeah, yam love sun.
Yellow yum. Goat looking on. This ram goat, we don't know whose ram goat is this. The owner should come and get this goat. Yes. It's brown and white ram goat. We don't know whose goat, so we just tie that goat there and we send out a word. So the owner, if you're watching this video, this is your goat. Got the view over there, guys. Yeah, that is the view from the hillside. Yeah, man.
Why you so dark? You know, so cool you so bunny here? Watch out.
There's somebody that burn cold right here, so.
That's a cool, no?
Yeah, it's cold this, yes. So we are going to try burn some coal with some of the jackfruit. Him about the jackfruit, breadfruit.
Yeah, that's try cool, you know?
Try burn some coal.
Soon as they cool up and dry out them water there.
Yeah, just do a thing.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Whole process.
Alright, so next one I go right beside this one here. Right beside this one. Now we have no land space.
What? Yes, no land space at all.
Yeah man, so get in the next one you know. I say now next year we have yam again for dig.
Yeah, that's it.
About next year then time again.
Yeah, a little before now.
Okay.
9 months. 9 months good.
Okay. You say Bible say now?
He that tilleth the soil shall have plenty of bread.
Yeah, he that tilleth the soil
Mm-hmm.
shall have plenty of bread. Which part in the Bible say that now?
The Proverbs.
Right.
And that's a fact.
Mm-hmm.
The plant you shall reap.
Mm-hmm. Reap what you sow. I plant our next one also.
Alright, look what you need now.
Yeah. You can get twice out there. You can get the next one out there. Alright, I'm sure one I can divide.
You go to this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice. That's a 4 cuts on stick here now. Alright, so Philip will get off some stick so he can catch the more catch. So he can stick the yam them. Mm-hmm. This is a fancy tree. Yeah. So we're getting some sticks for the yam. The breeze decide to blow now. Alright. Alright. So now start cut up the stick them on. Let's say one lot. One lot. Just a chop. Don't rain, but that's so easy for stick. Tired. Come on. So we get 4 of them. So we get 4 of them. Let's see. Line them up. Alright, so Philip will stick them you know. First on this. Yeah, so that's how we sharpen point them. So we chip down the point so and stick down in the earth. So I get it under it, you know. Yeah. Just like that. firm it up.
Yeah.
I said on the firm up, say I go just lead it up and now.
You think you will say you don't want to get damaged?
Oh, and if I want more, I can step on it.
But you can't spring still, and you know what we can't step on it. You will spring back still.
Wrap around the vine. Yeah, wrap it right up to the top. Alright, oh, see, put on next one, no?
No, the next one.
Oh, I don't know, so the next one there. Oh,
I'll put one next one.
okay. Alright, so next stick, you know. Firm me up, you know.
And these things grow too.
Yeah. Fence stake, it will actually grow. Easy for catch, you know. Fence stake, easy for catch.
Most people use them to stick your man so. Or to make fencing.
Yeah, I'm sorry. See, that's why I call it fence stake. Yeah, you do. Alrighty.
Ready to roll him up now.
So roll him up now. Yeah. Wrap it around the stick, you know.
Yeah, make it too stiff.
Oh, it have a kind of slack.
Yeah. So when you wake up in the fire, too, you get to string and tie it.
I use a piece of string to tie. What you say I tie?
Yeah. Just tie that, the breeze and blow it down.
Oh,
Keep it firm up there.
okay.
When I want to go in, I want to look out the skin still up there.
Oh, yeah, that one kind of hook, so you don't have to,
Yeah, so I'm going to tie that now.
you don't have to tie that one there. Farmer look good so far.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because most of them are just stick on so. So the next time I come now, I just a little part there in the now.
Yeah.
To go and dig and thing, but we not deal with it today.
Alright.
Maybe for next time.
I stick it next to them. Then do you heard if you stick it as you can see the one don't have no vine yet, so them can go and stay until till the vine them start come up. Alright, so 2 more. They also with vine. Yeah, put up the stick them you know.
Yeah.
Your penis stick right there.
Right there. Between the two hills.
Yeah.
There's only 2 more want to go upon it, yeah? Can't make it too heavy.
Next vine I go up on a stick you know. Do remember to like this video, and if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah. We are tight. tie it up just like we do the first one. And get one tie so you know drop off back. That is it. Remember to like this video. Alright, so this is the last one we have stick for the day. Come on. So this is it. I stick the last one right here. So a stone there your foot. A big stone there. Oh. Oh, okay. Alright, so that is it for today. Wrap up this wine bunny stick. Thanks for watching this video, peeps. Yeah, man.